organize my art supplies with me. They kind of got a little messy and out of control, so I need to organize them. I started with my colored pencils. I like to organize things in rainbow order just so I can easily find a color I need. And here it is all organized. Okay, then I went into my markers. These are alcohol-based markers, again in rainbow order as best as I could. And then I added my Prismacolor markers, and then I added my fine line pens, and here it is all organized. So then I went into my big bucket of Poscas. I wanted to separate them by color, so first I took out my mini ones and then started separating them by color. This was harder than I thought it was going to be because the markers just kept sliding into new positions and it was really annoying. So then I put my small black and white markers in there, and then I shoved the rest of my markers in so that they would all fit. And I didn't have any room to put these, so I just left them in their plastic bags, but here's everything else super organized. Thanks for